Good morning children, Shami Shanti. Let's solve the next problem. Third one, the population of a city decreasing from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease they ask. Here, before it was 25,000 children, afterwards 24,500 means the population decreased here. We have to find the percentage decrease. Solution, population of the city is 25,000. Decrease in population of the city is 24,500. Therefore, decrease in population is equal to 25,000 minus 24,500, which is equal to 500. Therefore, percentage of decrease is equal to 500 divided by 25,000 into 100. Like loss is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Profit means profit by cost price into 100. We do not children in the same way. Here, 500 divided by 25,000 into 100. Two zeros if you strike out. Here 250 ones are, 250 twos are. Okay. 2%. Okay. Percentage of decrease is equal to 2%. Next question. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year the price went up to 3,70,000. What was the percentage of price increase? Here Arun took a car children for 3,50,000. Next year 20,000 increased. Okay. We have to find the percentage of price increased here. Okay. Solution. Cost of a car is equal to rupees 3,50,000. Next year the price went up to 3,70,000 they said. Increase in price is rupees 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000 which is equal to 20,000. Percentage of price increased is equal to this 20,000 divided by cost price 3,50,000 into 100. These 4 zeros and 4 zeros, numerator and denominator, if you strike out, 2 into 100 will remain in the numerator, 35 in the denominator. 2 into 100 divided by 35. 5 7 is 35, 5 2 is 10, 0. 22 is 40 children, denominator is 7. Okay, if you do division, 7 5 is 35, 40 minus 35 is 5. We can write as 5 integer, 5 by 7. Therefore, percentage of price increased is equal to 5 integer, 5 by 7%. Next question children. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? If you purchased a TV for 10,000 and you sold it for 20% profit means children, okay, how much money you will get? Okay. Solution. Given cost price of a TV is equal to rupees 10,000. Selling price of a TV we have to find. Profit percent they given 20%. We know that profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Here profit percent you know substitute it. 20 is equal to P divided by cost price is 10,000 into 100. These two zeros if you strike out, P by 100 will remain. Is it? Then P is equal to 20 into 100. This if you transpose children, P is equal to 20 into 100 will become. Okay. P is equal to rupees 2,000 means profit is rupees 2,000. We know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. If you want selling price children, this cost price we have to transpose. Profit will be here only. This minus CP will become plus CP. Means cost price plus profit or profit plus cost price. We can write. Okay. Therefore, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Rupees 10,000 plus 2,000. Rupees 12,000. Therefore, I get rupees 12,000 for it. Next question children. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 30,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? Okay. Here observe, she took the washing machine for 13,500. 20% she lost children here. Means loss is 20%. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. Means selling price of washing machine is 13,500 children. She loses in the bargain is 20% they gave. Let cost price is equal to X. We don't know cost price children, let us consider it as X. We know that loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. If you consider cost price as X, if you substitute, selling price is 13,500 they given. Loss is equal to X minus 13,500. This I am going to consider it as equation 1. Then given loss percent is equal to 20%. 20% they gave children which is equal to loss divided by Loss percent means loss by cost price into 100, is it? Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Here cost price we consider it as x into 100. If I transpose children, this loss we are going to find loss is equal to 20 into x. It will go to the numerator. This 100 will come to the denominator. Means loss is equal to 20 into x divided by 100. This I am going to consider it as equation 2. These two we have to equate. Equate in the sense both equations we are going to make equal. By equating equation 1 and 2, we get 20x by 100 is equal to x minus 13,500. Okay, 20x is equal to this, as it is you write down, and 100 transpose to the right hand side. Then next, after writing this 20 is transposed to the right hand side. 20x is equal to x minus 13,500 into 100. Then x is equal to x minus 13,500 into 100. This 20 when you transpose, it will come to the denominator. 20 ones are 25s are, if you strike out, x is equal to, afterwards you multiply children, 5 into x minus 5 into 13,500. We will get 67,500. That is x is equal to 5x minus 67,500. This 67,500 you transpose to the left hand side and x you transpose to the right hand side. This is 67,500 is equal to 5x minus x. It will become, in 5x if you subtract 1x, 4x will be. Okay, 67,500 is equal to 4x. X is equal to, this x will be equal to 67,500 divided by 4 it will become when you transpose. That I written like this, x is equal to 67,500 divided by 4. If you strike out 4 ones are 4, here 4 ones are 6 are, 8 are, 7 are, 5 are. X will be equal to 16,875. That is cost price of the washing machine is 16,875. Next question children. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10, ratio 3, ratio 12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. Here calcium, carbon and oxygen. Okay, in ratio they given children. We have to find the percentage of carbon in chalk. It is first one in this given ratio of calcium, carbon and oxygen in a chalk stick are 10 ratio 3 ratio 12. Sum of the parts is equal to 10 plus 3 plus 12 which is equal to 25. Therefore, percentage of carbon in chalk stick is equal to part of carbon in chalk stick divided by total part of chalk into 100. We will get in percentage. Then 3 by 25. Carbon they gave children only 3, is it? 3 by 25. The sum we got as 25 into 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are, if you strike out 3 into 4 will remain 3 into 4 which is equal to 12%. Percentage of carbon in chalk stick is 12%. Next one. If in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram, what is the weight of the chalk stick? Okay, here they asked if in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram. If it is 3 gram, okay, what will be the weight of the chalk stick? They are asking. Let the weight of the chalk stick is equal to x gram. We don't know, let us consider it as x. Now weight of carbon is equal to 3 gram they said. 3 gram means children which is 12% of chalk. Just now you saw 12%, is it? 12% of x is equal to 3 then it will be. 12% means 12 per 100. Percentage means per 100 children. 12 by 100 into x is equal to 3 will become 12 into x. This 100 will transpose to the right hand side. 3 into 100 will become 12 into x is 12x which is equal to 3 into 100. Now you transpose 12 to the right hand side. Then x is equal to 3 into 100 divided by 12 will become. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. 1 into 25 divided by 1 which is equal to 25. Therefore, the weight of the chalk stick is 25 gram. Thank you.